Introducing Umbraco Engage Analytics, a powerful tool designed to give you actionable insights into your website's performance. With Umbraco Engage, you can monitor your website's key performance indicators at a glance. Instantly track visitor behavior, user engagement, and conversion rates, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Dive deeper into your data to understand exactly how your content is performing. Use filters to view metrics by date, location, device, or audience segment. With this level of granularity, you can make data-driven decisions to refine your content and marketing strategies. Our advanced reporting tools highlight actionable insights, showing you what's working and where improvements can be made. From identifying high-converting pages to spotting traffic spikes, Umbraco Engage helps you make the most of every opportunity. Best of all, Umbraco Engage offers real-time, server-side tracking, so you're never out of the loop. Rest assured, it's the most accurate representation of visitor behavior, giving you the power to react quickly to emerging trends. Transform your data into insights with Umbraco Engage Analytics. Ready to get started? Book a demo today.